to work. Alright, let's do it. Okay, I'm at work. What's that? Mornings are tough, dude. Yeah. Good morning, Vietnam! What's up, guys? A quick recap from last video. I showed you guys how the trailer works. You got an idea of it. And I showed you guys what we were carrying today. Just a quick recap, we got the G-Wagon. We got the Range Rover. We got the Porsche 911. Which is already delivered. We have the BMW M3, which is being delivered today. We have the Mercedes-Benz Maybach, and we have the $2.9 million Rimac. Today we're going to be delivering Scottsdale. Once Scottsdale is done, we'll be heading straight to San Diego to deliver that G-Wagon, Range Rover, and that Mercedes-Benz Maybach. After that's done, we'll be heading straight right over to Palm Springs, California, and to get rid of that Maybach. That Maybach has to go. It's been stressing me out this whole trip. It's a very, very expensive car, and it comes with a lot of stuff. So yeah, it's like 15 degrees outside. It's cold as fuck. I'm always in my shorts and slides, as you can see. But yeah, today's video is gonna be great. Right now I'm in Texas. I'll be making it all the way to Scottsdale and maybe into California today. You guys are gonna get beautiful views of New Mexico, Arizona. It's gonna be absolutely great. So stick along for the ride. Oh, no bueno, dude. No. All right, let's get her going. I was so tired yesterday that I don't even know how I got in here, to be honest with you. But yeah, the windshield, oh my God. I need to figure that out. Need to figure that out. But we are behind schedule because we fucked around last night. But we should be okay. This is how you get out of here? So all right, it is 8:30. I called the M3 customer in Scottsdale, told him I should be there in between 3 and 5 their time. I should be there around 4 though, but I'm gonna give him a call an hour before, let him know what's up so he's not just waiting around. See, this is why I have to drive early, because these guys can literally park on the dirt. Look at that curb though. That curve, how messed up the road is. Look at all those big ass potholes. I'll get stuck in there. I got a low boy. I got a low boy. You guys see that flag? Right between those two cars on that car hauler? That flag is a little coarse and it looks old as shit, so that's just scratching that car every time. Boom. Since we're waiting, guys, let's go check on the cars. Good. 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 See, that didn't even come out. That's great. I love it. That's fine. This is what's holding everything together right now. This is holding the whole trailer together. So this Rimac. That's good. Can't wait to deliver this car. It's been stressing me out. Good. Let's just take a gander of this vehicle. Absolutely beautiful. Just wait until you see the inside. Inside's gorgeous. But this right here. Yeah, I can see my chauffeur picking me up in this. Look at that. You can tell that's not beautiful? Jeez. You gotta get this washed. That's crazy. Like, look at the back. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Look at all that salt from pickup. It's ridiculous. This is gonna go to California. Oh man. Whoa. Hello. Let's get you back in there. It's good. See what I mean? This guy's not even getting fuel, but the guy in front of him doesn't move either. Like, if I wait, I'm gonna be so late to this customer. I was gonna be there at 4, arrival's 4:17. I still need to get diesel. But I think I got another pilot 23 miles away. And I got 185 miles left of diesel, so let's get out of here. And for my luck, as soon as I leave, this guy's gonna pull out. Oh, I see him. I see him get in his truck. Hold on. What is he doing? You know what? I'm the idiot for waiting, dude. I'm the fucking idiot for waiting. Look at this idiot. Look at this, another one, another idiot. Is everybody retarded today? What are you doing? Oh man, I'm never gonna get through that. Look who's behind me. The asshole that blocked everything. If you turn in here, I'm gonna be pissed. You don't have a signal? No signal? I was having a good day, and it took two idiots to ruin it. Alright guys, attempt number 2. Let's see if this pilot's any good. They're all full. But it wasn't too far. It was about 3 miles down the road. Go, go, go. Please explain to me what's going on here. That bobtail was there when I was on this side of the street. So maybe he's gonna be getting out soon. Well, at least he's there, and I see him fueling, so. That's the same color truck as mine. I think it is the same truck as mine. Yeah, it's a Volvo. BMW 860. Oh, please, please, please tell me no one's coming. Can't see anything. Where's that car at? Why are cars parked over there, dude? Look at that. It's a van. What the fuck's a van doing here? Oh, yeah. That should be fine. I figured out why I was so pissed off today. I didn't have my coffee. Now we're good. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. What is that? How do you even do that? Can't make this shit up, man. You always want to use microfiber on the mirrors, because once you start using these instead, all your mirrors are going to be scratched. Ask me how I know. See all those little scratches? Maybe you can't on camera, but yeah. That did not take me 4 times to do.
Your shower is now ready.
If you guys are complaining about spilled death on the floor, you can lick my nuts. That bobtail is still there. Another happy customer. I was happier than a pig as shit. But you see how these tubes go up? Even when I'm coming up. Obviously the chain's limit is up to here. I wouldn't go any higher. But these tubes come up. So you have to be very careful for trees. Obviously because it's a truck. And because you don't want to hit a branch with that. Because that will take out a branch. And then it'll come on the fiberglass roof. It'll be a bad day. This is how it basically works. Put the car on, lower it. Yep, perfect. Morning guys, I just woke up. We got 362 miles so we could drop off those 3 cars. It's 52 degrees, it's getting warmer. Oh man. It is so early. Tried to go into Blue Beacon yesterday in Phoenix. The line was all the way onto the street. I was like, yeah, we're gonna have to figure something out in California. We finally made it in California, boys. You gotta love it. Speeds limit's 55. Nothing but sand and weeds. CHP on my ass every day. Vacant buildings and homeless. And look how dirty this is. We gotta put that battery laying down flat because I need to raise this platform all the way up to get that G-Wagon and Range Rover out. Ready, got the 3 down. Need the customer to sign, I'll be good to go. Look at this. Look how beautiful palm trees are, man. Like, come on. Come on. But look. Look what the East Coast will do to you. This happens to me too, mentally and physically. Oh. Next stop is the Rimac. Look at all these wheels. There's some under there, some under there. 2 rods. Some sort of case, a jack. What is that? Mobili hydraulic surveying. Yeah, that's how you know it's expensive when it's in a different language. That's how you unload 3 cars in 15 minutes. Well, let's say 20 because I have to record everything. It's not easy. Not easy. Alright. Let's shut you off. Let's shut you off. Let's get you on. So these guys know when we want to turn. Nice. Hopefully we make it to the Rimac. Guy said he's leaving at 4. I don't even know what time it is, to be honest with you. How dirty it is. No. Whew. On the road again. Last delivery. Your infamous fucking Charger. Now you guys can see this car. Very, very nice when I drop it. Whoa. Ah, I almost forgot. This is what kept the trip safe the whole time. Can't forget that. Oh yeah. All right, this is where the Remac's going. It's a nice color. What is that, a purple? Wow. Same color. Alright, enough fucking around. Let's get to work. I just got in here and just started. And that's why it's 2.9 million. Turtle mode, very quick. Hey, but we got her off. We are fully empty now, thank God. My friend, the little Charger's gone. Nice and empty, straight out. I'm gonna go get some food, get some sleep. We'll take care of all this, organize everything later. Fuck that. McLaren's Bentley. This is a fucking dream. I have a question for you guys. What do you think about these new Rolls Royces? Oh, I think they're nice. Oof, it's like a yacht, bro. It's a land yacht. So got the orange in it. It's done. We delivered all the cars safe and sound. Look at the next video. I'm gonna give you a nice tour of the trailer so you guys actually know what the fuck's going on. Peace.